Introducing a new way to install LiteSpeed web server with just one click. Our one-click script comes with several options and can be used with any supported operating system. Using this versatile script, you can quickly and easily install LiteSpeed web server with its default settings, and you can choose to include other useful applications, including WordPress and the LiteSpeed Cache plugin. We've included the command syntax in the video description so that you can copy and paste it if you need to. Now let's take a look at some common ways to use the LiteSpeed web server one-click script. When you run the one-click script with no options, it gives you a 15-day trial license, sets a random admin password, and installs only two pieces of software, LiteSpeed web server and LSPHP. After the trial period, you can apply your own license. If you already have a license, you can use the license option to enter it during installation. Don't know what license is best for you? See the link in the description to browse our available licenses. There's a LiteSpeed web server license for every budget, starting at $0. If you want to host WordPress, use the W option to install all of the following: LiteSpeed web server, LSPHP, MariaDB, WordPress, and the LiteSpeed Cache plugin. There are a few things you should keep in mind when using the script to install WordPress. The W option will install WordPress as we mentioned, but you will still need to configure the WordPress installation through the browser. To skip the need for the browser installation process, use the WordPress Plus option. There are several other options like WP User and WP Password that you can add to further customize the settings. By default, this script gives you a MariaDB database. If you prefer to use MySQL or Percona, there are options that allow you to do that. If you already have a WordPress installation running on another server, it can be imported into LiteSpeed with no hassle using the WordPress Path option. The LiteSpeed Enterprise one-click installation script has flexible options that allow you to make installation as simple or complex as you wish. Check out the links in the description for more options, and thank you for watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. See you next time.